513 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 2nd October 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 2nd October, 479 people recovered. 2 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 34,455. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,009. Total recovered cases stands at 29,004. Total 442 deaths are reported till 2nd October. Goa's recovery rate is 84.18%. Total samples tested till 2nd October 2020 are 258,285. Breakup of total 5,009 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 180, CSC Sakhe 281, CSC Pernam 168, CSC Warpai 161, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 247, USC Panji 265, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 113, PSC Petki 106, PSC Kandolim 148, PSC Kansarvarnam 61, PSC Korwae 115, PSC Kolem 206, PSC Chimbal 219, PSC Sholem 214, PSC Pororim 336, PSC Maim 47, Travelers by Road Flight Train 3. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 96, CSC Konkani 136, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 376, USC Vasco 299, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 64, PSC Kansavlim 96, PSC Chenchenim 57, PSC Kortalim 201, PSC Kurtorim 82, PSC Lutolim 77, PSC Marsaim 58, PSC Kapam 73, PSC Sangam 100, PSC Shuroda 36, PSC Darbandora 71, PSC Ponda 234, PSC Navilim 83. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 2nd October 2020 are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 249. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 621. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.